Hey everybody, this is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive inside a 1968 Ford Mustang Shelby. Now this is actually a tribute, but it looks beautiful. I mean, the paint, how it looks in the sun, it's just awesome. If you haven't already, go click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications so you get updated as soon as we do a video. And the purpose of these virtual test drive videos is for you to get a chance to look at it out in the sun and virtually put you in the driver's seat before you make this purchase, so you can kind of get a sense of what it runs like, how it feels. For all the additional information, you're gonna have to go on over to, well, you get to go on over to volocars.com when we're done. See the hundreds of pictures we have, the undercarriage, inside, outside, we put in the studio, the detailed write-up, the selling price, everything we know about this car. Oh, that's cool, the front lights too. Oh, everything about this car is just, I love it. Hop on in. Door opens with ease. The interior looks great. The black is a little fading on the carpet, so that you can just re-dye it pretty easy, get a can. Door shuts nice. It is your 5-speed. Comes with air. The radio, we'll check, see if this stuff works. So first, let's buckle up so I don't forget. Looks really nice. A little wear up here. The backs of the seat, you can fold that up. We have pictures of all the seats and everything too if you go online. I like this. Let's go ahead and start her up. See, the tachometer is working. We'll check the speedo, fuel gauge. The clock does not work. I'm seeing right here. That's a rarity. Let's see the radio. Don't want to get hit with copyright infringement. That works. AC kicks on. And then you also have for defrost and everything like that. So this overall, what a really great looking car. The interior looks nice. The steering wheel is wrapped really well. I like this. Horn blows. All right, now we're in the shop here at the museum, as this is the first time any of us get a chance to take it out on the road. So we're gonna be experiencing everything firsthand together. So if we come across anything, notice something needs to get fixed, we'll go ahead and throw it in up on the rack and take care of it. All right, let's go for a spin. Oh, sorry, let's go for a ride. Can't take Jay's little tagline there. Shifts really easy. Clutch feels nice. Seems like it drives straight. Over this bumpy road here, see how it goes. Feels pretty solid going over here. I'm not hearing a lot of the clunks or anything like that. Up here in a second, get on her a little. plenty of get up and go. Real, just awesome ride. Beautiful car. I would drive this thing around all day. The brake feels nice. Clutch feels nice. Accelerates like no play at all. The moment you just go to touch on it, it's going up in all 5 speeds. Both inside indicators work. Get a little bit of space between us. Gets up to cruising speed real quick. God, this is just everything about this car I love. I noticed we knocked off the tune button on there. We'll get that back on. But I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Like I said, if you haven't already, go click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications, and now's the time to head on over to volocars.com. And if that doesn't answer all your questions, go ahead and give our sales department a call, because this thing will not be hanging around long. I guarantee that. As always, I appreciate you.